You're looking at a 2018 Tesla Model S 100D all-electric dual motor all-wheel drive vehicle with 39,000 miles. This vehicle comes loaded up, has a 100 kilowatt hour battery that's rated at 335 miles by the EPA. Comes ABS, traction, stability control. It's got front trunk storage with the charger. Car's in excellent shape. The numbers right here. It's got a panoramic roof, silver exterior, beige, or sorry, cream leather interior. We've got navigation, backup camera with parking sensors, air suspension, enhanced autopilot, so it's halfway to full self-driving, and you can either subscribe to full self-driving for $100 a month, or you can purchase it out for $9,000 in today's money. That price is due to go up. Exact mileage is 39184. It also has, sorry about that, air suspension, premium ultra high fidelity sound, heated seats, 5-way heated seats. It's got front and rear heated seats, heated tongue-tied, heated wipers. It also has a heated steering wheel. Panoramic roof, I think I may have showed you that. All-weather mats, rear vents, power tailgate, rear shade, storage on the bottom, seats do fold down. All door handles work perfectly. Absolutely excellent shape, no stories. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, that's 508-921-0301. I'll just give you one more walk around on the exterior. Again, if you're interested, our phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you, and have a good day.